Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create an e-signature in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and here start opening up a file. At the top corner of your screen, you can see e-sign, so click on it. This will open up this left panel and here you can see the add signature button. All you have to do is click on it. And here you have three options to customize your e-signature. You can simply type letters in this section, and you can also change the style, or you can also manually draw the signature, or you can also select an image if you already have an existing signature. And to add this e-signature in your document, first click on the apply button. And here you can just stamp this newly created e-signature wherever you want in your document or PDF file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!